So in this video, I'm going to be replacing the carburetor in this Stihl weed eater. This particular one is an FS56RC. So you can go ahead and stick around and see how it's done on yours. There we go. So you see there's the green line, goes to the lower part, the black line, and the throttle. It goes in just like this. Hold it like that and put it together at the same time, so let's do the best we can. There we go. That's a little better. Gotta remember to keep my hands out of the way of the camera. So green line, black line, throttle. Now imagine the pair of needle nose would be very, very handy here. I'm sorry if I'm getting in the way. Okay, so try to get in here and get that fuel line on. Sorry, I'm sure I'm in the way of the camera. Throttle, around. Alright, sorry about that. Eventually I was able to get the throttle on there. So go ahead and get the air filter gasket back on. Now if you look in here, I guess you can't really see it, but right back in there, there's a little slot for this guy to sit in. So find that slot again down there. There. Like a modern car version of weed eaters. Everything's just covered in plastic. And on there. And have a little tool to adjust the carburetor if I need to. So I'm just going to put gas in it with this cover off and see how it runs. Alrighty, so I set the carburetor up initially 1¼ turns on both the low and the high speed. After we start it and it's idling, we'll go ahead and make the adjustments. Now when you adjust this just really quickly, you got the high speed on the outside, you do that at full throttle. You just keep it at full throttle, you turn it clockwise and keep turning it until the idle goes up and then starts to drop. Once it starts to drop, you back it up. You back the screw off just a little bit until it goes up and then starts to drop again. And as soon as it just barely starts to drop on that side, that's when you just leave it. Same thing with the low speed. The low speed, that's the idle. Keep turning it until the idle gets to its top, and then you take it back out just a little bit, just until the idle starts to go down, just a hair. All right, so we'll go ahead and get this thing going. Got gas in it. We'll see if she can start. All right, there you have it. Might use a little bit more tuning, but runs pretty good.